If you've got that deep glute pain or that shooting pain, that goes down the backside of your leg, you gotta do this move with me right now. We're gonna do the standing pelvic tilt. Pretend your hip is like a bucket. You're gonna tilt it so the water comes out through the front, and you're gonna tilt it so the water comes out through the back. So what I usually recommend my clients do, hands on the hip, right? And guide your hip. So you're tilting forward so the water comes out, and you're tucking your butt underneath your hip so the water comes out through the back. So a side angle here. Do a few of those and keep it controlled. And even out here, while the kids are playing, you can do this. Most people think this is a sciatic nerve issue, but most of the time, it's just stiffness built up. I'm Coach Joe. I've worked over nearly 20 years with clients alongside physios, chiropractors, and this is where I usually start. This one is a standing hip hinge. Usually get my clients to put your hands on your hip again. From here, slightly bend your knees and push your butt back, keeping the back nice and straight. And then standing tall again. Here again, push your bum back like you're sitting on a stool, knees slightly bent, back is neutral, and then stand straight again. Think of your body as sitting a little bit too long, and all we're doing is slightly changing that. That's it. You'll probably feel a lot more of this into your glutes and into the back of the legs, but not too much in your lower back. Do these a few times, keep it controlled, and do it slow. Now try this one, the little hip shift. Hip width apart, slight knee bend, hands on the hip if you want, or out front, wherever you prefer. All you're gonna do, shift the weight slowly over to one leg so your hip is out just slightly. So you got more weight on the one side. And then hold for a couple of seconds, shift it to the other. That's all you're doing, is going back and forth. You might slightly feel this on the outside of the hip and near the back of the glute. Nothing crazy. And it could be subtle, but that's it. That's the whole purpose of these. These exercises are not overly complicated, but highly effective. This one's a slow standing march. From here, all you're gonna do is stand in one position and just raise your knee up to about hip height or however high you can lift it, and then slowly back down. And then the other one. The bonus of this one is it actually works a bit more for balance too, so stabilizing your knees, ankles, and hip all the way throughout. And if this begins to feel a little bit better from when we first started and you're feeling looser, that's a really good sign. Remember to do these slow. Now let's take this to the chair. This is a seated leg extension. Yes, you can do the standing too. You can just hold on to support, but for this one, we're gonna be seated. From here, your back is nice and tall, slight knee bend. You're just gonna bring one leg out, extend it straight out in front of you, point the toe back towards you. Now, you might feel this at the back of the leg, right? Near the calf or even up here. Some people might not feel it at all. Everyone's gonna feel it slightly different depending on where your limited mobility or stiffness is. Right? And then bring it back to seated. And alternate to the other one. Bring your leg straight out, bring your toe back towards you, and then back to a seated position again. Here's what I want you to understand. You're not broken. This isn't something you need to fix overnight. It's something you work with. And what I've seen with working with real people is when they move a little consistently, things start to calm down. You don't need all of these. Pick one, start there. Do it daily, let it build. That's how this actually works. If you're looking for more guidance, I built a 7-day mobility challenge to get you moving looser with one simple exercise, simple movements just like this, structured out just for you. I'll leave that link in the descriptions. Which one of these felt best for you? Let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.